Hello everyone, this is Jyoti representing Syntax EduTech. Syntax EduTech specializes in career development programs focused on training and employing learners, especially socially and economically deprived ones, in cutting edge technologies like full stack development, data science, machine learning, cybersecurity, virtual reality, and so on. Our business model comprises technical skills, soft skills, and entrepreneurial skills. Students often trained in technologies find it difficult to present their knowledge, hence resulting in lack of opportunities. Soft skills training helps them to overcome this hurdle. Entrepreneurial skill is to multiply the impact exponentially. It gives them the skills to use their knowledge in innovative ways, creating more solutions and opportunities. This is implemented in two phases. Phase 1 is the rigorous technical training, and phase 2 is soft skill and future preparation training. You can see the multiple stages of the phase 1 and phase 2 on your screen. Now coming to the target audience. Our target audience are the college students, high school students, undergrads, working professionals that are looking for technology switch, or those who want to enter the IT industry. We also focus on socially and economically deprived sectors, the women of the society, and the entrepreneurial thinkers that want to use their knowledge in new innovative ways. Now coming to the competitive edge of Syntax EduTech. A cost-efficient economic model distinguishes us from the market. Being a bootstrap company, we are still able to provide programs to economically deprived sectors through our EMI payment options, or in some cases, payment after earning options. Another key feature of our model is that it can be accessed anytime, anywhere through their mobile phones. No high-tech laptops with high configurations or machines are needed for training and practicing, which makes it even more affordable. Coming to the progress made so far. We have been able to make a business of approx 2.5 lakhs Indian rupees and have trained more than 5,000 students in past 1 year. We have also been certified and recognized by various government bodies. Few of them are Startup India program launched by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which comes under Ministry of Commerce and Industry of Government of India. We have also been registered under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises under Udyam program of Government of India. We have also been recognized as potential startup by the Department of Industries of Government of Bihar. We also collaborated with Education Industry Association Council, that is a non-profit branch of Kerala government, and the list goes on. Coming to why we chose Vietnam market, uh, in past few years, apart from Topica EdTech, we haven't seen much rise of the EdTech startups or companies in the Vietnam market, which results in lack of online EdTech resources in the market. We have a very great enthusiast, learned audience in Vietnam, and we also have a goal to reach different parts of the globe through our global project. Approaching Vietnam market is a part of that global project. Now coming to the team, we are a team of two people. Uh, One is Mr. Amit Kumar Mishra, the founder and CEO of the company. Second is Mrs. Jyoti, that is me, the co-founder of the company. Our mentor is Mr. Nitin Kumar Barak, who is the founder and CEO of Flats on Demand, a startup company. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a great day.